Nature's fury, hurricanes, hurricanes. These swirling storms are a spectacle of nature's raw power. They form over warm ocean waters, drawing energy upwards from the sea. As warm, moist air rises and cools, clouds form. The spinning earth gives the hurricane its spin, turning it into a powerful vortex. We recognize them by their swirling clouds and destructive winds. But how do we measure their fury? The Saffir-Simpson scale measuring the monster. This scale is a crucial tool in understanding the immense power and potential destruction of hurricanes. To understand a hurricane's potential for destruction, we use the Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale. This scale helps meteorologists and the public gauge the severity of an approaching storm. This scale ranks hurricanes from Category 1 to Category 5 based on their wind speed. Each category represents a significant increase in potential damage and danger. Category 1, the weakest, has winds of 74 to 95 miles per hour. While these storms are the least severe, they can still pose a threat to life and property. These storms can damage roofs and topple trees. Even at this level, power outages and minor structural damage are common. Category 2 hurricanes pack winds of 96 to 110 miles per hour, capable of causing more significant damage. These storms can lead to extensive power outages and more severe structural damage. As we move up the scale, the danger increases exponentially. Each higher category brings a greater risk of destruction and loss of life. Category 3 hurricanes, with winds of 111 to 129 miles per hour, are considered major hurricanes. These storms can cause devastating damage to homes and infrastructure. They can tear off roofs and cause serious coastal flooding. The impact on communities can be long-lasting, and recovery can take months or even years. Category 4. Hurricanes are even more terrifying, with winds of 130 to 156 miles per hour capable of leveling well-built homes. The destruction is often widespread and catastrophic. At the top of the scale sits Category 5, the most powerful category. These hurricanes are rare but incredibly destructive. These monstrous storms unleash winds of 157 miles per hour or higher, causing catastrophic damage. Entire communities can be obliterated and the landscape can be forever changed. The Saffir-Simpson scale is essential for preparing and responding to these natural disasters. Records of destruction, from gentle breezes to unfathomable power. The journey from a serene, peaceful coastline to the chaos and destruction brought by a hurricane is a stark reminder of nature's duality. History remembers the fury of many hurricanes. These powerful storms have left indelible marks on the landscapes they ravaged and the lives they touched. The 1900 Galveston hurricane, a Category 4 storm, remains the deadliest natural disaster in U.S. history. Its ferocity and the sheer scale of its impact are still remembered today. It claimed an estimated 8,000 lives, leaving a lasting legacy of sorrow and resilience in the face of nature's wrath. Hurricane Katrina in 2005, a massive Category 5 hurricane, devastated New Orleans with its catastrophic flooding. The images of submerged homes and desperate rescues are etched in our collective memory. These storms stand as stark reminders of the destructive power of nature. They show us how quickly our world can be turned upside down by the forces of wind and water. On the other end of the spectrum, some hurricanes leave a relatively minor mark. These storms, while still powerful, do not unleash the same level of devastation. These weaker storms, often Category 1 or 2, might bring heavy rain and some wind damage, but pale in comparison to their more powerful counterparts. They serve as a reminder that not all hurricanes are catastrophic. Their impact, while noticeable, is far less devastating. The cleanup efforts are smaller in scale and the recovery is quicker, allowing communities to bounce back more rapidly. Preparing for a hurricane: essential steps to stay safe. Securing your property is crucial. Board up windows, secure outdoor furniture, and reinforce garage doors to minimize damage from strong winds. Create an emergency kit with essentials such as water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, and first aid supplies. This kit can be a lifesaver during and after the storm. Having an evacuation plan is vital. Know your evacuation routes and ensure All family members are aware of the plan. Pack your car with necessary supplies and important documents. Heed hurricane warnings and prepare adequately. Early preparation can make a significant difference in ensuring your safety and the safety of your loved ones. Understanding the power of nature's fury and taking proactive steps can help mitigate the devastating impact of hurricanes on communities.